Your question is, the governor of a state is appointed by. Your options are A, the Prime Minister, B, the Chief Justice of India, C, the President, or D, the Chief Justice of the High Court. Right answer is C, the President. Your question is, which one of the following statements about the Chief Minister of a state is not correct? Your options are A, the Chief Minister is appointed by the Governor, B, the Chief Minister generally presides over the cabinet meetings, C, the Governor has to exercise all his functions on the advice of the Chief Minister, or D, Ministers are appointed by the Governor on the advice of the Chief Minister. Right answer is C, the Governor has to exercise all his functions on the advice of the Chief Minister. Your question is, the writ of certiorari is issued by a superior court. Your options are A, to an inferior court to transfer the record of proceedings in a case for review, B, to an inferior court to stop further proceedings in a particular case, C, to an officer to show his right to hold a particular office, or D, to a public authority to produce a person detained by it before the court within 24 hours. Right answer is A, to an inferior court to transfer the record of proceedings in a case for review. Your question is, in which one of the following years was Sarkaria Commission, which was empowered to recommend changes in center-state relations, submitted its report? Your options are A, 1983, B, 1984, C, 1985, D, 1987, or E, none of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is E, none of the above or more than one of the above. Your question is, according to which article national emergency may be declared by the President of India? Your options are A, Article 352, B, Article 370, C, Article 371, or D, Article 395. Right answer is A, Article 352. Your question is, under which one of the following articles is the formation of Finance Commission laid down? Your options are A, Article 280, B, Article 269, C, Article 268, or D, Article 265. Right answer is A, Article 280. Your question is, who was the first Vice Chairman of the Niti Aayog? Your options are A, Arvind Pangaria, B, Raghuram Rajan, C, Chandrasekhar Subramaniam, or D, Rajiv Kumar. Right answer is A, Arvind Pangaria. Your question is, who appoints the members of the State Public Service Commission? Your options are A, President, B, Governor, C, Chairman, Union Public Service Commission, or D, Chairman, State Public Service Commission. Right answer is B, Governor. Your question is, which of the following parties were not a part of the United Front which was in power during 1996-1997? 1. Bahujan Samaj Party, 2. Haryana Vikas Party, 3. Samta Party, 4. Assam Gan Parishad. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Codes. Your options are A, 1, 2, 3 and 4, B, 1, 2 and 3, C, 3 and 4, or D, 1 and 2. Right answer is B, 1, 2 and 3. Bahujan Samaj Party, Haryana Vikas Party and Samta Party. Your question is, which of the following elections is not conducted by the Election Commission? Your options are A, Lok Sabha, B, Rajya Sabha, C, President's election, or D, local bodies. Right answer is D, local bodies.